Hello everyone and welcome to this FE-Safe tutorial series. I am FEA Master, and in this series I'll guide you through fatigue analysis using FE-Safe. In today's video we'll answer three important questions: what is FE-Safe, why do engineers use it, and what exactly is fatigue analysis. If you're interested in fatigue life prediction, optimizing engineering designs, and preventing mechanical failures, this series is for you. What is FE-Safe? FE-Safe is a powerful fatigue analysis software developed by Dassault Systèmes under Simulia brand, the brand that owns Abaqus and SolidWorks. It is specialized in predicting how long a component will last before fatigue failures occurs. Unlike FEA software like Abaqus or ANSYS, FE-Safe doesn't perform structural simulations. Instead, it takes stress results from the FEA tools such as Abaqus, ANSYS, or any other software and applies fatigue algorithms to determine the lifespan of mechanical components. FE-Safe is widely used in industries like automotive, aerospace, energy, and manufacturing, helping engineers ensure product durability and safety. So why should engineers use FE-Safe? Here are some key benefits. FE-Safe predicts component life accurately, so FE-Safe helps engineers when and where fatigue cracks will initiate, preventing sudden failures. Another reason might be reducing the cost and testing time. Instead of relying on physical tests or real-time tests, FE-Safe allows companies to simulate fatigue life numerically, saving time and reducing costs. Integration with FEA software is perfect. It works best with Abaqus, but don't worry, you can use other softwares easily such as ANSYS and Nastran, making it easy to import stress results and perform fatigue analysis effectively. Other than that, it supports various fatigue life analysis methods. In FE-Safe, you can handle different fatigue mechanisms including stress life analysis, strain life or EN, and multi-axial critical plane criteria such as Braun-Miller, Morrow, or Smith-Watson-Topper. What is fatigue analysis? Fatigue is one of the most common causes of mechanical failure. It occurs when a material experiences repeated loading and unloading, leading to microscopic cracks that grow over time. Think about bending a paperclip back and forth. It eventually breaks. That's fatigue failure. Fatigue analysis helps engineers answer three key questions: where will crack form? How long until failure occurs? How can we improve the design to increase durability? FE-Safe provides answer to this question using two main methods, or better say approaches: stress life or SN analysis, used mostly for high cycle fatigue simulations where stress levels are low, and the second one is strain life analysis or EN or epsilon N, used mostly for low cycle fatigue where plastic deformation plays a role. We'll dive deeper into these methods in upcoming videos. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment below on what fatigue analysis topics you'd like to see next. Stay tuned, see you in the next one.